We acknowledge the presence of our chief guest, CA Sunil Agrawal sir.
Request all members to kindly settle. We'll start with the felicitation ceremony. Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries, our senior members, proud parents, principal, friends, and most importantly, stars of today, newly qualified chartered accountants. A warm welcome from Borivali Central CP Study Circle to this felicitation ceremony. आज की शाम सिर्फ एक सम्मान समारोह नहीं, ये उन अलार्म्स की कहानी है जो सूरज से पहले बजते थे। ये उन किताबों की कहानी है जो दोस्तों से ज़्यादा टाइम मांगते थे। ये उन रिजल्ट्स की कहानी है जिन्होंने कभी मुस्कुराया और कभी रुलाया है, लेकिन एक चीज़ कभी नहीं बदली, मंजिल तक पहुंचने का हौसला। आज सिर्फ आप सीए नहीं बने, यू हैव अर्नड 2 words, chartered accountant. You have earned 2 alphabets before your name, CA. अश्विन, मेरे को एक बात बताइए, लोग अक्सर पूछते हैं सीए बनने में कितना टाइम लगता है, आपको क्या लगता है?
प्रतीक भाई, अब भी बात कर रहे हो ऐसा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट होके?
नहीं, लोग पूछते हैं, मैं नहीं।
तो लोगों को तो पता ही है जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है उनको कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स की जर्नी नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स में नहीं मेजर की जाती, वो मेजर की जाती है उसने कितने वेडिंग्स मिस किए हैं, उसने कितने वैकेशंस कैंसल किए हैं, उसने कितनी मॉक टेस्ट दी है, उसने कितने बार खुद को बोला है कि नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट तो बिल्कुल ज़रूर 100% हो जाएगा। सो टुडे एवरी सेक्रीफाइस हैज़ बिकम वर्थ इट। आज सिर्फ रिजल्ट सेलिब्रेशन नहीं हो रहा है, आज आपके पेरेंट्स की प्रेयर्स, प्रिंसिपल की गाइडेंस और आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी सबका सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है। अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल द न्यूली क्वालिफाइड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स।
Today, we are honored to welcome leaders whose vision and dedication inspire all us. The dignitaries present embodies the spirit of achievement and serve as a powerful reminder of what is possible and when you perceive these dreams. This is what great leaders create more leaders. Today, we have a privilege of learning from such remarkable individuals. I would request CA Sikandar Yadav, CA Aman Khandelwal, conveners of study circle, along with CA Ravi Soni, to kindly escort today's chief guest, CA Sunil Agrawal sir, CFO, LIC Corporation, Life Insurance Corporation. Please sir, welcome. Welcome, Sunil sir. Without wasting much of your time, I would like to invite convener of our study circle, C.A. Sikandar Yadav, to give warm address as well as say about BCSC.
Thank you, Pratik Bhai and Ashwin. Before I welcome guests and members, I would like to brief you about the Borli Central CP Study Circle. It is India's largest study circle, over membership of 1900. It is a highly professional managed study circle conducting more than 30 CP meetings in a year, covering topics of over 60 to 65 in a year. The topics are selected based on the importance and need of the hour. For income tax, GST, FEMA, and AI series which we had in the last month. Apart from academics, we also have networking events such as residential refresher course for 2 days and 3 nights mostly. We have cultural events. We organize cultural events which is participated and performed by our own CA members. As health is utmost importance to us, we also keep yoga sessions and we also conduct various sports events like indoor sports, cricket and season tournament, and so on. Also, to the academics, we distribute Ready Reckoner and other publication which are required. It is my privilege and honor to welcome our esteemed guest, CA Sunil Agarwal sir. He is a CFO of LIC of India. Despite your busy schedule, you choose to be here with the young leaders, young achievers. Your presence itself is an inspiration and we are deeply grateful for that. Also, I welcome distinguished dignitaries, respected members, proud parents, family, friends, and the stars, as Pratik said, of the evening, our newly qualified chartered accountants. Good evening and heartfelt welcome to you all. There are some evenings like today that becomes memory, that becomes milestone, and that quietly finds a place in our heart. This is not just a felicitation ceremony. It is a celebration of courage hidden behind silence and determination that refuse to surrender. Today, every medal, every certificate, every applause carries the fingerprints of a mother who quietly stayed awake, a father who silently sacrificed, a sibling who understood, a teacher who believed, and a friend who kept saying, "You can do it." And to our newly qualified chartered accountant, today you have earned the privilege of placing two beautiful words, that is CA, before your name. I leave you with these lines. सफर खत्म नहीं हुआ है, बस रास्ता बदला है. सफर खत्म नहीं हुआ है, बस रास्ता बदला है. अब किताबों से निकलकर जिंदगी के हिसाब लिखने हैं. अब किताबों से निकलकर जिंदगी के हिसाब लिखने हैं. और याद रखना, हर बड़े इम्तहान के बाद जिंदगी और बड़े कठिन सवाल पूछता है. With immense pride, gratitude and joy, I once again welcome each one of you to this memorable evening. Let us celebrate not just success, but the journey that made it possible. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Sikandar, for your welcome address. अच्छा अश्विन, अभी मेरे को एक बात बताई है. यहाँ पे सब जो आए हैं, सबका सक्सेस स्टोरी तो होगा.
Yes, definitely.
तो ये सक्सेस स्टोरी के पीछे कोई हीरोज होंगे?
What do you say, people? Newly qualified chartered accountants. Who are your heroes?
Who are the heroes?
Any guesses? You can name a few. Any volunteer?
शायद से नहीं, आपको ही बोलना पड़ेगा, कोई हीरो नहीं है.
So उन सब के behalf पे मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ that their heroes of every chartered accountant who have recently qualified is that for some their teachers are their heroes. Teachers are the guiding principle. There are certain few people who are their friends who have motivated, might have cleared before them. There are parents, relatives. Those are the backbones of their stories, and they are the real heroes. Some, as Sikandar Bhai said, that some silently just stand behind them and believe in us or believing in you, even when you doubt yourself that whether you will be successful or not. So, huge round of applause for those heroes in your life. Now, today we are fortunate to have amongst us such a personality who have contributed immensely to our profession and whose 25 years of journey or 26 years of journey in after completion of his chartered accountancy and being a CFO of LIC, I would request and I would everyone request you to welcome him with a huge round of applause. Now I would request sir to kindly address our
I would request conveners to kindly felicitate our chief guest, Ravi. If you can offer a flower bouquet to our chief guest. CS Sunil sir. He is CFO.
He is a CFO with over 26 years
I
of
would request now conveners to kindly offer a memento as a mark of appreciation for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Sunil
you
sir.
so much, Sunil sir. With this, I would request Sunil sir to please address the newly qualified chartered accountants.
Thank you so much for the kind words. Good evening, friends. Respected dignitaries on the dais, fellow chartered accountants, and respected parents of the young chartered accountants who have qualified today. Let me begin with congratulating the young chartered accountants. As the previous speakers mentioned, this is a beautiful association that you have got into. And thank you for choosing a profession which is built on trust, integrity, and continuous learning. So the journey has just begun, friends, and it's a beautiful journey. Our institute has been very, very inspiring. In fact, I say that our institute has been a cornerstone of India's financial ecosystem. Over the years, it has been silently contributing immensely to the ecosystem of the country. It is a great honor to be here this evening today between the young chartered accountants. I understand that there are 20 of young chartered accountants who have qualified, and it's a good number considering a study circle. So, which is a wonderful achievement, and I think the efforts of the parents along with friends and family goes a long way in getting the achievement. Friends, this is not the end. This is just a beginning. So this is just one milestone that you've achieved, and there are many more to come in future. As we are embarking on a journey, and if you look at things around you, they are changing a lot. The technology is evolving. Every day you hear about some AI thing happening, some technological advancement happening here and there. So you have to be catching up with the technology every day, every moment. There are regulatory changes that are happening. You would be looking at many transformational initiatives that the government is also taking in terms of GST 2.0, the Income Tax Act which got effective from the 1st April itself. The new accounting standards that many businesses have moved into, and some businesses are moving as we move ahead. So these are the challenges, friends, that we have to every day face, and we have to keep ourselves updated so that we remain relevant. And therefore, I said our profession is something which requires a continuous learning. So if you don't continuously learn, you will be left behind. So it is very, very important to be up to the mark, whether it is technical skills, whether it is legal changes, whether it is regulatory environment, whether it is tax laws. And I hope you remember, and it's not very old for you guys, when you were, spending late nights with tax laws or audit reports. So those were not just academics; those were foundational. So when you were spending those late nights with tax laws and audit reports, working with a chartered accountant firm, so I'm sure those were foundational days, and those were just not a tick mark job that you were doing. So in that process, you learned a lot. You learned how to work hard. You learned the importance of audit. You learned the importance of taxation. You learned the importance of compliances. So going forward, friends, it's not only just compliances and reporting that will be expected out of a chartered accountant. It is much more than that. So compliances and reporting were the old days which are gone. So now the expectation of a chartered accountant is much beyond the traditional requirements that were there in the past. It is more to do with leadership. It is more to do with problem solving. It is more to do with stepping into strategy. It is more to do with becoming the business partner along with the organization. So it is much more than what it used to be when we were doing our chartered accountancy. We were just looked upon as a tax filers. So people, when we just qualified and we were moving around in family and friends, the relatives used to ask us, income tax ka slab kya hai? Income tax ka exemption kya hai? What are the changes that happened in the budget relating to personal income tax? So that there was nothing more that was expected out of a chartered accountants, 25 years, 26 years back. So now the things have changed dramatically. So it is much more than just the taxation that is there. So the expectations of the stakeholders are changing. The dynamics of the businesses are changing, and the customers and the generation which is now, they want things to happen, like this instantly. Abhi ka abhi chahiye. So you have to be updated with those kind of technologies which provide this kind of results. So it is not only about crunching numbers. It is much more than the crunching numbers in the Excel sheet or tallying a balance sheet or filling up the forms of certain compliance reports. So friends, it is very, very, the journey has just begun for you. Work hard, keep yourself updated, and it's going to be amazing. So and follow your instincts, and I think most of you will be excited right now to venture out. Some of you must be selecting practice. Some of you would be wanting to select a job. So it's your personal choice. But whatever field you choose to be, you be perfect. You work hard. You go into the deep of things, and I'm definitely sure that you will achieve success. Thank you so much for having me here. All the best for your wonderful journey, and I'm sure you will achieve success if you continuously work hard. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Sunil sir, for your words of wisdom. Now it's time to welcome CA Durgesh Kabra sir, Central Council member of ICAI. He is one of the leader whose heart always beat for chartered accountancy, a leader in a profession that he has been serving since almost 3 to 4 decades. Thank you very much, sir. I would without wasting much of your time, I would request sir to please address students, now newly qualified CAs.
Thank you, Pratik. I know that many are not members, and probably the youngsters need some introduction, but let me tell you that for at least this study circle, I don't need any introduction. This study circle, I believe I started, so the member who was from the beginning or who has joined recently also practically knows me. Sorry for coming late. In fact, since last 1 week, I am continuously traveling, and I came in the night at 2 o'clock, and it just slipped from my mind, and I was resting at home. So I got delayed. dear Sunil, the CFO of the LIC, and the convener, deputy convener, all the BCSC team members, past conveners and all the core team members. It's indeed a pleasure to always remain with an organization and remain connected with BCSC. I feel happy because this is the only organization which has given me strength, and I have achieved whatever I have achieved. I would say that it's all because of the training which I got at BCSC. It makes difference. And that's the message I just wanted to give to all Gen Zs who have become chartered accountant. In time to come, Gen Alpha will come, Gen Beta will come, Gen Gamma will come, and the thinking process of every generation is changing. We were thinking in a different way. My son thinks in a different way. These guys who have passed chartered accountancy right now, they think in a different way. And after 14 years, the other generation will be there. So the thinking process will change. But one thing which I believe should not change, the members, chartered accountant members who are sitting here, उनके लिए जस्ट उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, 3 दिन पहले हमने एक कोई दिवस मनाया था ना, याद है? कितनों को याद है? सबको याद है? क्या था ये दिवस? CA डे. कौन सी तारीख को था? 1 जुलाई. करेक्ट? क्या है? 1/7. कौन से दिन था? 1/7. करेक्ट? CA डे 1/7. 1/7 1949 को हमारे फोरफादर्स ने सोचा कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी इंस्टीट्यूट का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट किया जाए. एंड देयर वाज अ थॉट बिहाइंड इट. एंड आई से दैट all the forefathers who initially laid the foundation of this institute, I think they were of the opinion कि जब तक हम एक साथ हैं, हमारा प्रोफेशन हमेशा नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएगा. जब हम एक साथ नहीं रहेंगे, हमारे प्रोफेशन को तकलीफें होगी. और जिस दिन हम वापस एक साथ हो जाएंगे, किसी स्टेक होल्डर की हिम्मत नहीं कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स के ऊपर उंगली उठा सके. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 3 जनरेशन जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जेन जी, जेन मिलेनियम और उसके पहले की प्लस जेन अल्फा, 3 जनरेशन से एटलीस्ट यहाँ बैठी हुई है. अपने आप में सोच के देखिए कि हम कितने एक साथ हैं. आर वी रियली? आर वी यूनाइटेड? इज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी प्रोफेशन यूनाइटेड? एंड इफ यू सो थिंक दैट वी आर यूनाइटेड, इट्स ग्रेट. कीप योर hand on this side of your body at this place. Ask this question. Introspect yourself. Are you right? And if it is so, fine, fantastic. And if it is not so, then start thinking what I can do for this profession. How we all can be together. How our professional brothers and sisters can come together, can come nearer, which makes difference. And the day, why I am telling, because I have seen that time also when all legendaries were there at the professions and the government was listening to all of us. And the decisions were, sir, so that none of them was, none of the chartered accountant was going against them. whatever is being decided at the leadership. And the government was asking. But time has changed. Social media is playing the biggest role. Or I would say that there are certain people who are creating problems through the social media. We have never thought of. Have you celebrated and ever heard before Sunil has come here and anybody of us has congratulated him when he became the CFO of the LIC and led the largest issue of this country, IPO? किसी को याद आता है किसी ने कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया था क्या सोशल मीडिया पे? नहीं किया. लेकिन अगर एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक एक छोटा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट या बड़ा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कर देगा ना, हम जितने नेगेटिव थॉट्स सोशल मीडिया पे डालना चाहते हैं उतने सोशल मीडिया पे डाल देंगे. आर यू अवेयर दैट देयर आर 50 episodes of Chartered Accountants, the growth giver, the growth driver, Chartered Accountants, the growth driver, which are there on the ICAI TV and YouTube. See the name of all those, and more specifically to you all young Chartered Accountants. Go through those 50 videos. How they have come through their life after becoming a chartered accountant, what they have felt and how the chartered accountancy has helped them. Those 50 chartered accountants who are either entrepreneur or CEO, COO of either Indian multinational, or their own startup which has become a very big, having the value of thousands of crores, and they have contributed or they are contributing to the Indian economy or to this capital market as market cap wise lakhs of crore rupees. But anybody of us has appreciated the efforts of those chartered accountants? No. And that is why I just wanted to request all of you and to bring it to your knowledge that जो हमारे forefathers ने हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट की नींव 1/7/1949 को रखी, जो कि इस देश के संविधान के लागू होने से पहले रखी गई, तो कुछ सोच विचार के एक साथ को रखी कि हम सब एक साथ रहें. और जब हम वापस इस डायरेक्शन में सोचेंगे और हम एक साथ हैं, हम वो सिद्धांत अपनाएंगे जिसके लिए ये इंस्टीट्यूट की नींव रखी गई थी: इंडिपेंडेंस, इंटीग्रिटी, एक्सीलेंस. With these three, what extra is required to be needed to do by all of us is use of technology for doing all these things. Imbibe everything which is required by all of us in our day-to-day planning, day-to-day working of the technology, which is going to make difference, which is going to help your performance in the organization where you are serving, or if you are going to be entrepreneur, then that startups or business gets the value of it. But आदत हो चुकी है हम सभी की, मोर स्पेसिफिकली पर्टिकुलरली जेन जी की, कि एआई जो अभी आया है ना, तो हम केवल मात्र एआई के भरोसे रहने लग गए. मुझे इससे मतलब मैंने अपने आप में सोचा और मेरे दिमाग में एक बात आई, वो लाइन जो जहन में एक दिन ऐसे ही आ गई, तो वो लाइन आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। ए इंटेलिजेंस बहुत नाज था मुझे तुझ पर, ए इंटेलिजेंस बहुत नाज था मुझे तुझ पर तू भी अब आर्टिफिशियल हो गई, पर तू भी अब आर्टिफिशियल हो गई। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को काम तो लीजिए, बट अनलेस एंड अनटिल you use this artificial for building your skill set, fine. If you are just copying what these chatbots, these ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and all other tools, AI tools are giving you, and you just copy it and give it, I think this is going to create a lot of problem. Very recently, in a day, 2-3 days back, there was a statement of a CEO from USA. He was having the dinner with a young guy of 22 years, and certain questions were asked, certain dialogues have taken place, and everywhere that boy was struggling to find out some words. And he was just trying on the AI tool. He was trying to take the help of AI tool. What I should use, which word I should use. So, having more dependent on these AI tools is going to create a lot of problem. Use AI, no problem at all. It should be used. But unless and until आपने अपनी नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस को इसमें काम नहीं लिया, आई थिंक आपको तकलीफ होने वाली है, इसमें कोई शक की बात नहीं है। और अभी 4 दिन पहले एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट भी आया है, सोशल मीडिया पे वो भी घुमा होगा। कितनों को ध्यान है? आया है ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट। NCLT ने एक ऑर्डर पास किया था, और उस ऑर्डर में जिस वकील ने AI बेस्ड रिप्लाई दिया, उसमें जो केस लॉ कोट किए वो केस लॉ गलत थे। दोज आर फेक, क्रिएटेड थ्रू द AI। एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेड कि अगर इस प्रकार के कोई भी ऑर्डर्स भविष्य में आए, तो जिसने ऐसे स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं या सबमिशंस दिए हैं, उसके अगेंस्ट में केस होना चाहिए। एंड बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया हैज बीन इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू फ्रेम द लॉ दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्शन शुड बी टेकन अगेंस्ट द मेंबर ऑफ द बार काउंसिल, एंड द सेम इज गोइंग टू हैपन विद द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स। If that instruction has gone to Bar Council, we must presume that this is an instruction for us also. If you are submitting wrong things which you have borrowed from the AI tool and submitting to the authorities where something wrong is happening, then probably a case will be against us. So, use AI or technology to develop your skill set, to support your skills, to build your capacity, but don't do the copy and paste of it. These things I just thought I must share with all of you, which are the challenges for our profession today. And I am sure that the young buddies who are sitting here after passing their chartered accountancy in time to come are going to do wonders. क्यों? कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ही एक ऐसा बंदा है, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ही एक ऐसा बंदा है जो कुछ भी कर सकता है। इसका कारण मैं आपको सीधा सीधा बताता हूं कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स HR में हो तो मोहनदास पाई बनता है। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स मीडिया में हो तो अनिल सिंह भी बनता है। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में हो तो मोतीलाल ओसवाल, निर्मल जैन, आनंद राठी बनता है। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स इंडस्ट्री में हो तो आर.एस. अग्रवाल, इमामी बनता है। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स हाउसिंग फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री में हो तो दीपक पारेख बनता है। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स किसी भी लाइन में हो, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स आर गोइंग टू गेट बेस्ट ऑफ द पोजीशन इन लाइफ to come, and he is going to be at the pinnacle of the organization. It is up to you. Provided we are doing the training of 2 years in a very systematic way, because that training gives you a 360-degree learning. प्यून से लगाकर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर तक कैसे बिहेव करना है वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी सिखाती है, और कोई कोर्स नहीं सिखाता। एंड आई एम श्योर इफ यू यंग जनरेशन इज चूजिंग करियर इन दी सर्विस और एम्प्लॉयमेंट, प्रोबेबली आई थिंक if you follow all these things, you are going to make the difference. With this, I rest my words and thank you all. Congratulate all the young ones who have passed their chartered accountancy, because you have not passed the toughest exam. You are the tough people who conquer this exam. And a clap, big clap for all of you and for your parents. Always remember your parents in your life. They were behind your success. रात को 2 बजी हो, 3 बजी हो, 4 बजी हो, चाय चाहिए, पोहा चाहिए और ब्रेड टोस्ट चाहिए, आपको बन के मिला है। तो एक जोरदार तालियां अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू वेरी मच दुर्गेश सर फॉर योर वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम। सर आप लेकिन दूसरी चीज़ बोल गए, जो अगर ठान लेगा कि मेरे को है ना प्रोफेशन को सर्व करना है तो सीए दुर्गेश काबरा बनेंगे, और अगर जो ठान ले कि मेरे को कोई इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में रहना है तो सीएफओ सुनील अग्रवाल सर बनेंगे। वन मोर थिंग विच आई गॉट टू नो, सो सुनील अग्रवाल सर इज़ एन इंजीनियर, बाद में उन्होंने सीए कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, सीएमए में गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट थे, एलआईसी के आईपीओ में उनका बहुत पाइवटल रोल था। दूसरी बात, आईआईएम अहमदाबाद, आईआईएम कलकत्ता से भी कोर्सेज किए हुए हैं। उसके बाद में अराउंड 8 to 10 सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स, सो पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन के बाद में जो सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स होते हैं वो भी उन्होंने किए, दिशा, जीएसटी, इंडेस। सो ही हैज़ गॉट अ वेरी ह्यूज क्वालिफिकेशंस। ओवर टू यू नाउ।
So, before we proceed with the ceremony, I would like to tell you all that we have one more thing, one more dignitary who have to say something about you all, the chartered accountants.
Over to the screen.
Over to the screen, please.
वही को सही कहने वाले मेरे साथियों, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स देश के इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम के जो ताकत एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के सिग्नेचर की होती है। आपका सिग्नेचर सत्यता की, भरोसे की गवाही देता है। कंपनी बड़ी हो या छोटी, आप जिस अकाउंट पर अपने सिग्नेचर कर देते हैं उस पर सरकार भी भरोसा करती है और देश के लोग भी भरोसा करते हैं। आपको देश की संसद ने एक पवित्र अधिकार दिया है, वही खातों में सही को सही और गलत को गलत कहने का, सर्टिफाई करने का ऑडिट करने का ये अधिकार सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके पास है। हिंदुस्तान के 1.25 करोड़ देशवासियों का आपके उस सिग्नेचर पर भरोसा है। उस भरोसे को कभी टूटने मत दीजिए, उसको खरोच भी मत आने दीजिए। अगर आपको मैं अर्थ जगत का ऋषिमुनि कहूंगा तो वो गलत नहीं होगा। जितना महत्व उन ऋषि मुनियों का रहा है जो मोक्ष का मार्ग दिखाते हैं, उतना ही महत्व मानव जीवन में, अर्थव्यवस्था में आपके मार्गदर्शन का रहता है।
So this was what Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, has said about CA. अभी अश्विन, मेरे को एक आप बात बताइए। आज आपको पता है, आज CA के साथ में और एक डिग्री का सम्मान होने वाला है।
कौन सी डिग्री?
सोचिए ज़रा।
कौन है यहाँ पे जो आया है जिसको सम्मानित किया जाएगा और एक डिग्री से?
PCA।
PCA?
यस।
ये कौन सी डिग्री है? किसी ने सुना है ये डिग्री? PCA, ACA, FCA, ये सब तो हमने सुना है। PCA क्या होता है?
पेरेंट्स ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट।
वाह।
CA सिर्फ स्टूडेंट नहीं बनता, पूरा घर CA बनता है। मम्मी पापा कभी एग्ज़ाम देते नहीं हैं, बट डिफरेंस उतना ही होता है, आंसर शीट सिर्फ बच्चों की चेक होती है। पेरेंट्स ने कभी शायद से सिलेबस नहीं पढ़ा होगा, पर हर चैप्टर उन्होंने आपके साथ जिया है। हर फेलियर में आपका हौसला बढ़ाया है। हर रिजल्ट पे वो आपसे ज़्यादा नर्वस हुए हैं। उनकी आंखों में जो खुशी है उसकी कोई मार्कशीट या रैंक नहीं। With these words, we all CA know that it is not just about study. It is about expression, it is about emotion. तो जो रिजल्ट की रात थी या रिजल्ट की सुबह थी, टू बी प्रिसाइज, तो वो दिन पे क्या मोमेंट था, जस्ट मैंने भी मेरे CA के रिजल्ट्स में जो मोमेंट रिलीव किया है, सब लोगों ने इधर किया रहेगा। आज फिर से ना वो एक मोमेंट रिलीव करते, वापिस से रिलीव कर लेते हैं। सो अगेन ओवर टू स्क्रीन।
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ,
सच होने की खातिर जो सपने
शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया
बहुत बहुत ही ज़्यादा इमोशनल था ये मेरे लिए भी. मेरे को खुद को गूज़बम्स आ गए. ये कितनी बार ये मोमेंट को आई मीन रीलीव वी कैन से कि ये मोमेंट को वापस से एंजॉय करना ये वापस से सदनसीब है या जो बोलो वो. और आप सबको देख के और एक बार मुझे ये मोमेंट याद आ रहा है, जीने का मौका मिला. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. नाउ आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट हम फेलिसिटेशन सेरेमनी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अभी और हम वन बाय वन सबका नाम लेंगे. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ में आइएगा. और हाँ, भले ही आप कितने भी इमोशनल हो अभी चेहरे पे स्माइल लेके आइएगा, क्योंकि जो फोटोज़ यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं वो आपके व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पे जाएंगे, इंस्टाग्राम पे जाएंगे, प्रोबेबली लिंक्डइन पे भी जाएंगे. सो प्लीज़ कम विथ अ स्माइल एंड नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट.
Before that, we have dignitaries CA Anand Desai sir, who is a director in Saraswat Bank. I would request him to please come over the stage and request Durgesh sir to kindly felicitate him. Another we have CA Nilesh Raut sir, who is a CFO in an animated content production company USP Digital Private Limited. I would request him also to please be on the stage. Then I'll request CA Bhupinder Patil. Sunil sir. I would also request CA Bhupinder Patil sir, who is a senior official from LIC, to please come. Thank you. We have such a good dignitaries today. Thank you very much. Now we'll start with the felicitation ceremony. I would request CA Aryesh Meherwada with proud parents Shashikant sir and Bhavna ma'am to please come over the stage, and I'll request Ravi Soni to please escort along with the family members.
ओके.
फिर राइट करना है. ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट कौन है कौन? चावल सर, नीलेश सर. स्क्रीन स्क्रीन.
Now I would request Aditya Parab, name of Father Gangaram Parab and Samita Parab ma'am, to please be on the stage for felicitation. I would request Vijay sir to kindly escort the family members. All the family members also who have come, they can join, including the principal, If they are present, they can do come along with the students, newly qualified CAs now. Next, CA Aryan Jain, along with proud parents, Mr. Subhash and Deepika Jain. Please come on the stage. I would request Nilesh Bhai to kindly escort the family members. After that, I would request CA Daksh Jasolia, proud parents, Nilesh Jasolia and Bhavna Jasolia. I would request Vanna Madam to please escort the newly qualified CA and family members. Next in line, CA Darshit Savla, proud parents, Premal Savla and Avni Savla. I would request Yashesh sir to please escort. Many congratulations. Next in line, C. Darshit Savla. Next, CA Freya Sangvi, along with proud parents Deepak Sangvi and Hina Sangvi. I would request Jawad Bhai to kindly escort newly qualified CA and their family members. Next, we have CA Hardik Dedia, along with proud parents Sailesh Dedia and Tina Dedia, to please be on the stage. I would request Shreyans Dedia to kindly escort. CA Hardik Dedia, proud parents are BCSE member Sailesh Bhai, next in line CA Khushi Shah, along with parents Manoj Shah and Alpa Shah. Okay, she has not come. We'll move ahead. CA Kunj Kotari, along with parents Alpesh Kotari and Neeta Kotari. I would request Viral to kindly escort newly qualified CA and family members, along with Hetal ma'am, who I suppose to be, she is principal. Next in line, I would request Vishal Mulchandani sir to be ready. CA Maitri Shah, along with parents Rajesh Shah and Sonal Shah. Vishal sir, if you can. Thank you very much.
मुझे राजेश सर भी છે.
Next in line, CA Nitya Subramanyam, along with parents PB Subramanyam and Shanti Subramanyam, to please come over the dais for felicitation. I would request CA Anand Desai sir, Director of Saraswat Cooperative Bank, to please escort newly qualified CAs and proud parents.
નીતિ આચાર્ય.
Next in line, be ready. CA Priyansh Gadda with proud parents Paresh Gadda and Bhavna Gadda. I would request CA Nilesh Raut sir to please come along with newly qualified CA and their family members. Many congratulations. CA Nilesh Raut sir, CFO of USP Digital Private Limited. Next in line, be ready. CA Rahul Podar, along with proud parents Rajesh Podar and Rita Podar. I would request Bhupinder Patil sir, Senior Official LIC, to kindly escort newly qualified CA and their family members. Many congratulations. CA Rahul Podar. Next in line, Ronit Magia, along with proud parents Hiren Bhai and Banna Madam. Please be ready. I would request Bijal Doshi to kindly escort CA Ronit Magia along with family members. Next in line, we have Saket Bhutra, along with proud parents Girish Bhutra and Chetna Bhutra. I would request Sandeep Bhai to kindly escort newly qualified CA and their family members. चेंज करिए साकेत पुत्रा. Next in line, be ready. CA Soumya Kaglani, along with proud parents Manoj Bhai and Deepa Ben. I would request CA Yashish Jakelia to kindly escort the family members and newly qualified CA.
ठीक है, रहने दो.
CA Soumya Gaglani. Now I would request CA Shlok Shah along with proud parents Devang Shah and Jasmine Shah. I would request CA Rakesh Bagashia to kindly escort newly qualified CA along with family members. Next in line be ready. CA Tanmay More along with proud parents Sanjay sir and Saili ma'am. I would request Vishal to please escort the family and newly qualified CA.
हाँ, वो announce कर दो. हाँ, okay. અહીંયા તો કેટલા changes છે.
Next in line, be ready, CA Vidit, along with proud parents
Deepak Bhai
and Meena ma'am. I would request Monish, CA Monish to kindly escort the family members and newly qualified CA. Many congratulations to all the newly qualified chartered accountants.
Congratulations to all of you.
We would request all the dignitaries to please
Be on the dais.
be on the dais. Sir,
लेते
अभी-
लेते.
With this, I would now request Deputy Convener of our study circle, C. Aman Khandelwal, to offer a vote of thanks.
Respected Chief Guest C.S. Sunir Agarwal ji, Honorable Central Council Member Durgesh Kabra sir, esteemed members of the profession, newly qualified chartered accountants, proud parents and family members, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. As we come to the close of this memorable evening, it is my privilege on behalf of BCSC to propose this vote of thanks. First and foremost, I express our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, C.A. Sunir Agarwal ji, CFO, LIC of India. Sir, despite your demanding schedule, you have graciously accepted our invitation and inspired all of us with your insightful thoughts, invaluable experiences, and encouraging words. Your address has undoubtedly motivated our newly qualified CAs as they embark on their new phase of their professional journey. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks to CA Durgesh Kabra sir, Central Council Member ICI, for gracing this occasion with your presence. Your constant encouragement, guidance, and unwavering support to the profession and to BCSC continues to inspire us. To our newly qualified chartered accountants, congratulations once again. Becoming a CA is not merely clearing an examination. It is the culmination of years of discipline, determination, perseverance, and resilience. Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey filled with opportunities, responsibilities, and lifelong learning. We wish each one of you a successful, ethical, and fulfilling professional career. A very special word of gratitude goes to the parents, grandparents, family members, and principals of our newly qualified chartered accountants. While today we felicitate our young professionals, the achievement is equally yours too. Behind every CA are years of silent sacrifices, early morning, late nights, words of encouragement during difficult times, unwavering faith during moments of self-doubt, and countless prayers for success. You have stood by them every examination, every setback, and every triumph. Your patience, love, and constant support have been the foundation upon which this success has been built. Today's applause is not only for our newly CAs, but also for each one of you who has made this dream possible. On behalf of BCSC, we sincerely thank you for nurturing the future of our profession. I would also like to thank our wonderful Masters of Ceremony, CA Ashwin and CA Pratik, for conducting today's program with great energy, warmth, and professionalism. My heartfelt appreciation goes to our dedicated office bearers, committee members, volunteers, and every member of the BCSC family whose tireless efforts behind the scenes have made this event a grand success. A special note to thank our photographers, videographers, and everyone else, the LED screen team and the catering team for ensuring seamless audio throughout the program. Finally, I thank each one of you for your gracious presence, enthusiasm, participation, and for making this celebration so special. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening ahead, and please join us for the dinner bill.
Before joining dinner, I would request all the committee members to please come over the stage along with the speaker, CA Vishal Mulchandani, and our guest, Bhupinder sir. We have Anand Desai sir and Nilesh Raut sir. Please join us for a group photograph. And post that, I would request all the students be ready with your trophies. We would have a combined photograph along with the committee members. Students, please join here for a photograph. I would request all the committee members along with trophy. Please do come along with the trophy. Thank you very much. It was wonderful to have you all. We request all the family members and newly qualified CAs to please join us for dinner. And we are starting with the second session. Would request CA Shreyans Dedia, who is going to be the speaker of second session, to be ready with presentation.